Mr. Bradley, if you don't mind my saying so, I think you are a ringer.
Oh, what? Oh, thanks very much.
You spent the whole day doing things I've always wanted to. Why?
No, seemed the thing to do.
I never heard of anybody so kind.
Wasn't any trouble?
Also completely unselfish.
Let's have a drink at the bar.
Oh, finalmente! There you are! Scusatemi tanto. I looked for you a long time. I think maybe you'll not come.
Oh, it's nice without, isn't it? Cool. Oh, yes, he cut my hair this afternoon. He invited me here tonight.
Well, what did you say the name was? Mario Delani. I'm very glad to know you.
Oh, may I enjoy myself? The pleasure.
No, go right ahead.
Ciao, Joe. Did I miss anything?
Just in time.
Anything?
Just in time, pal.
Who's Smitty dancing with?
Barbara. Got her hair this afternoon. Made a date for the night.
The Princess and the Barber.